In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating a curved arrow in PowerPoint in about 5 minutes. Begin by starting PowerPoint on your computer. Once the program is open, locate and open the presentation in which you wish to add the curved arrow. This presentation could be a new project or one you have already been working on. After your presentation is loaded, direct your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window where you will see several tabs. Click on the Insert tab found at the top of the interface. This tab contains a variety of tools that allow you to add objects, images and shapes to your slides. While you are on the Insert tab, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout, as it holds the key to accessing many useful features. Within the Insert tab, you will find an option labeled Shapes. Click on this option to reveal a drop-down menu containing a wide range of shapes that you can add to your slide. In the list of shapes, navigate to the section that includes block arrows. This is where you will find the arrow designs that PowerPoint offers. Browse through the available block arrow options and choose the arrow that best suits your design needs. Knowing which arrow to choose can depend on the style you want to convey in your presentation, so take a brief moment to decide on the most appropriate option. After selecting your preferred arrow, click and drag your mouse on the slide to draw the shape. The insertion of the arrow into your presentation marks an important step because it now becomes an editable object. To further modify the arrow so that it takes on the curved appearance you desire, move your attention to another set of options. With your arrow selected, look for the Shape Format tab at the top of the screen. The Shape Format tab provides many tools for refining and customizing your shape. Within the Shape Format tab, locate the section that houses the Insert Shapes options. Here you will find the Edit Shape menu. Click on Edit Shape and then choose the Edit Points option from the list that appears. Once you choose Edit Points, you will notice that your arrow becomes highlighted with a red outline. This red outline indicates that the arrow is now in a state that can be directly manipulated by adjusting its anchor points. With the arrow highlighted in red, click on one of the arrow's endpoints. When you click on the endpoint, a small white dot will appear. This white dot represents a control point that you can modify to alter the curve of the arrow. Click and drag this white dot to reshape the arrow according to your design preferences. As you adjust the white dot, observe how the curve of the arrow changes dynamically. This interactive method of reshaping enables you to fine-tune the arrow's curvature, allowing you to create an arrow that fits precisely with the overall look and flow of your presentation. By following these steps, you now have a flexible method for designing a curved arrow in PowerPoint. The process of opening your presentation, inserting a shape and modifying its points is straightforward yet powerful in adding visual interest and clarity to your slides. Enjoy experimenting with the shape's dynamics until you achieve the perfect curved arrow to complement your presentation's design.